I have tried a lot of moisturisers and none do quite as good a job as the Dermalogica Stabilizing Repair Cream at soothing irritated skin.
Just figuring out what's best for my skin has been a bit of a journey.
Juggling sensitive skin can be pretty difficult.
At the moment, I'm pregnant and it definitely helps soothe my sensitive skin.
I get eczema and the Dermalogica Stabilizing Repair Cream, my skin's reacted really well to it and that's hard to find.
A big plus for me was the consistency.
It just worked magic. My skin took to it like a dream.
Really did feel like my barrier was quite protected.
When my skin is looking its best, I love that it's radiant.
My skin feels resilient.
My skin reflects on how I feel on the inside.
I love that it's still quite youthful, I guess.
It's looking bright, hydrated, clean, fresh.
It was like a nice warm hug.